like you're in pain.
Oh, this is one of my ear. Go over here.
You can get your reflection. You like line dance in there or what?
Yeah.
Like the
You don't do that?
electric slide. Couldn't remember what it was. You can feel it. It's electric.
I hate that song.
I know, me too.
Oh, it makes me angry.
I know.
Is it a moth?
I don't know what is that.
Going in my ears.
The fly.
Oh God, I'm. Oh! It's dead! No, it's flying.
Peekaboo.
The statue over there looks like a man. You just get that.
I did. A little seductive bend over.
I just wanted my Coke, okay? Jeez.
Cheers.
Did you just get that? I know, huh? Oh.
Oh, girls.
Okay. Wet up there.
Who are these hoes? Oh shit. There's people coming. I'm just gonna.
It's pouring!
Mm-hmm. It is. We're seeking shelter in a corner.
That's right. For some reason I kept wanting to laugh today because when we were
You say you kept wanting to lactate?
to laugh.
Oh.
Because when we were sitting with Casey Paul and Buckwheat.
Oh, Corey.
Yeah. Buckwheat was like, shit. Yeah, I just want a fucking drink. But instead, we got Casey Paul.
I should have recorded some of that. I really wish I would have gotten him singing Salt and Pepper.
Me too.
Exactly.
That's what
He was like, had all the lyrics going too.
It got scary at one part. At that part, actually. And he's like, it got scary?
Sounded like he was saying punch it. I'm like, punch it.
Oh, shit. It's like my phone get ringed
Punch
on.
it good. Dude,